Well guys, this is going to be the last fishing outing for Maryland. I was able to make it back out. The time is 5:10 p.m. so I have about, well, basically until it gets sunset outside. So I decided to come and do some creek fishing, one of my favorite types of fishing to do, obviously. So I'm just going to be exploring this creek and hopefully we can get on some species. Same routine as normal, try to find some deeper pools and locate the fish. But let's go ahead, get rigged up and get started. Alright, cast number 1. Oh! And oh, I wasn't gonna say fish number 1, but come on. Oh. All right, cast number 1, fish number 1, my last day in Maryland. Redbreast. All right, completely engulfed this. Didn't get many of these yesterday, but green sunfish, fish number 2. Oh, oh, woo. All right, fish number 3, another redbreast. Whew. All right. Might end up to be one of these redbreast fests again. Oh, there's a bass. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, he had it. He had it. Oop. There we go. Oh, got him. Nice. All right, got him. All right, was able to hook into that bass. Finally came back for that lure. Let's get him back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move upstream now, see if I can find some deeper pools, more fish. Let's get going. Alright, tiny redbreast on this Trigger X swim bait. Yeah. Alright. Overhang from that tree. Perfect cast, come on. Oh, yes. All right, no surprise. First fish over here, redbreast. There we go. There's the bass. Woo. Alright, and another one. There we go. Alright. Oh man. I don't know if this is the same bass or not, but it might be. This guy might have come up and hit this lure about 3 times. Let's get him back. Oh my gosh. Why? Oh, this one has some type of issue. Look how skinny he is. Feels like bones. Wow. This guy's on the way out, it looks like. It's like a skeleton. Poor fish. Well guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get onto anything more than redbreast today. Seems like they just have overtaken this creek. Even the pools I find that are deeper at, I'm not getting any bass bites. I tried switching out my jig head to 1/8 ounce, and I'm just getting redbreast after redbreast. Finally got something different, but they are still taking this jig head, even though I changed out size to a large one. Crazy, man. Well, it's time to keep walking upstream. Oh, finally. After all that time. Is there fish on? Oh, fish on. Oh, nice. I didn't. Oh, man. I didn't realize he was on. Supposed to hit it as soon as it hit the water. Look. I finally got another bass. Didn't even realize he was on. It started reeling in towards me and my line started looking funny. I was like, am I hooked up? And I was. Well, just getting back in the water. Alright, cast right after that. Got a nice little bluegill. Oh no. Oh, I'm hooked up, but I'm in the tree. Oh, what is that? Shoot. Oh my god. Oh no. What did oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. My gosh, man, I just lost, I think it was a big old bass. I mean, I got caught in the tree when I cast, and the bass got the lure, and it broke me off because I was wrapped up in the tree. I can't believe that. That would have been the largest bass I would have caught on this entire trip. It had to have at least been a couple pounds. Oh my gosh. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this trip. Managed to lose the largest fish of the trip and catch hundreds of redbreast sunfish. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this trip. I'll take you along the next time I get to go out of town. But I will catch you back in Alabama. Hopefully I'll be able to get these lure videos out soon before it gets too cold to fish. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Until the next time, subscribe if you haven't. Tight lines, take care.